He wants to go play in the rain. Alright, Nate's gonna go play in the rain. He thinks that's what he wants. He's been asking me all day. He says he wants to go outside. Alright, go out. Come on, go out. Go out in the rain. Woo! Woo! Get late, come on, go out in the rain. Come on, you can do it. Go, go. Go, go. That's what you wanted to do all day. All day you've been asking. Go. Come on. Go on, all day you've been asking. Go out in the rain. Go, go, go. Those little sissy steps. Go out. Go out there. Run out there. Go quick. Go out there quick. Go, go, go. Whoa, look at you out in the rain, man. You did it. Is that fun? Yes? Whoa. Okay. Come on in. Ah! Okay, go run back out. Go run out into the grass. Go out into the grass, quick. Go, go, go. Whoa! Galik, you're the toughest man. The thunder. Ah, run back in. You're goofy. You're like the goofiest man I know. Woo! Hey, man! Cheese! It is raining. You got a saggy diaper, my friend. The red. Okay, say bye.